Today is Wednesday, July 25th. The time is 8:59 p.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2012 Topps Inception football break, break number 5. This break is sponsored by DCS Sports Cards, www.dcsportscards.com. Good luck, everybody. First card, Cowboys, DeMarco Murray. Panthers, D'Angelo Williams. Titans, Jake Locker, serial number 24 out of 252. Giants, Victor Cruz, serial number 62 out of 75. Broncos autograph, Ronnie Hillman. Vikings, patch autograph, Jarius Wright. And Giants, rookie, patch, David Wilson, serial number 35 out of 210. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks, currently listed for football box breaks. I have another box of 2012 Topps Inception. I also have a box of 2011 Panini Gold Standard that will be ending tomorrow. For basketball box breaks, 2011-12, I have the brand new Panini Gold Standard and Panini Limited. For hockey box breaks, 2011-12 Panini Titanium. And for baseball box breaks, 2012 Topps Tier 1.